What's going on, guys? We're going to talk about how to drop a point to save a place or location inside of Google Earth Pro. So what we're going to want to do is figure out where we want to drop our point. And we can do this by looking around on the map and finding a physical area that we want to drop a point on. Or we can search for a place. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do Montana. I'm just going to go to Montana. Okay. And it's zooming in right here. And up here in the top area, it's going to say Add Placemark, which is where we drop our point. So this box will come up for you to name your point, and I'm going to just name it a place in Montana, right? And then I'm going to, maybe I don't want to put it there, maybe I want to put it over by this lake. So I'm going to say, actually, a lake. And you can name this anything, this is just what I want to name it. So I've decided where I want my point to be. Right, I've placed it physically on the map. I could have also put in the latitude and longitude of that location. You can also put in some other coordinate options. We'll talk about those in a later video. This button right here will allow you to change the icon, which is a preset bunch of icons that are in Google Earth Pro. You can add custom icons though. So we will go ahead and use this arrow, just because that's the one I feel like I want to use. And I'm going to zoom in here a little bit using the scroll wheel. Okay. We can go over here and we can change the color for our label if we want. So we can change the text, and then also the scale. A couple of other cool things there. We can see our view information, which is basically just a lat long. And then tilting this over a little bit, we can change where this actually is relative to the ground, C4, etc., etc. So I believe if I do relative to ground and then I move this slightly, then it will actually raise it up in the air, so that is actually hovering over that lake. So this could be clearer for your specific point if you would like. One thing you can also do is you can add links. So I want to add a picture of Montana, which I happen to have a preset link to, and I added that link in there and I hit OK. So now when I click on this point right here, it will show me that link and give me an option to give directions to here or from here, and then it will also show up in my places. And I can save that if I want. I can save that place. But that's the basics of setting a place mark, or what's commonly known as dropping a point inside of Google Earth Pro. Thanks for watching. Check out my links in the description, and see you in the next video.